On September 3rd, 2025, Beijing rolled out something the world had never seen before, the DF-61 intercontinental ballistic missile. Was this China's next big nuclear hammer? Or just a showpiece meant to send shivers across the globe? The Dongfang 61, or DF-61, made its public debut during China's Victory Day Parade, marking the 80th anniversary of Japan's surrender in World War II. This wasn't just another missile on a truck. This was a statement. China is upgrading its nuclear triad: land, sea, and air. The DF-61 looks strikingly similar to its older cousin, the DF-41. It's mounted on a massive 16-wheeled transporter erector launcher, meaning it can move, hide, and fire from unpredictable locations. But here's the twist. China has released no technical details, no range, no payload, no warhead count, nothing. Analysts are left guessing. Is the DF-61 a direct replacement for the DF-41, or an entirely new family of ICBMs? The DF-61 wasn't standing alone at the parade. Alongside it, China showed off silo-based DF-5Cs, submarine-launched JL-3 missiles, and the air-launched Jinglei-1. For the first time ever, Beijing displayed all three legs of its nuclear triad in one event. That's a clear message to the US and its allies. China is not only modernizing, but it's ready to project nuclear deterrence on a global scale. China's current arsenal is estimated at around 600 nuclear warheads, with projections to exceed 1,000 by 2030. A mobile ICBM like the DF-61 makes it harder for adversaries to target these weapons in a first strike. Mobility equals survivability. Survivability equals stronger deterrence. But here's the catch. Nobody outside of China knows if the DF-61 is operational. It could be a fully functional new missile, or just a mock-up designed to intimidate. As Reuters pointed out, the parade might have been more about politics than actual readiness. If the DF-61 is real, it could mark a turning point in Chinese nuclear modernization. If it's just theater, it still worked, because the world is now talking about China's growing nuclear power, and strategists in Washington, Tokyo, and Brussels are taking notes. So what is the DF-61? A hidden ace in China's arsenal, or a bluff on wheels? Either way, it's a reminder that nuclear competition is heating up again. So what do you think? Is the DF-61 the future of Chinese deterrence, or just a paper tiger? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most powerful weapons.